Hey guys, and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up a 2021 Hot Wheels, number 42 of 250, the Cloak and Dagger. This is from the Hot Wheels Glow Racer series, number 3 of 5, and this car has a top that pops off. This is a very cool ride. GRY15 is the number. You can see that special feature right there. My friend over at Timmy's 10 Again Toys opened up one of these previously on his channel. He actually gave this one to me. This was his extra. So this is a glow racer. That means that the clear looking stuff glows in the dark. Let's not waste any more time and let's get this thing open. See what it looks like out of the packaging. Decent open. Cloak and Dagger, so you can see the wheels spinning there. There are RA6 wheels, reuse side of 6 spokes, and let's take a nice look at that. This has the cover on it. It's got a lot of pink and purple on it, and this says the tampos there, and look at that. Cloak and Dagger 2021 Hot Wheels. Pretty cool glow in the dark vehicle. Nice look at that. Now you can see these little hinges here, and you pop those off. Come on, there we go. Finally unclipped. This thing is wicked hard to get off, so I'm probably not going to be taking this off again. But there you go, pretty cool. Here is the car without the cloak on it, and this is the dagger part of the car. I love the purple on this car though. This has some beautiful purple, and those wheels are glow in the dark wheels, and this purple is the die-cast part of this car. And it says made in Malaysia, N41 base code, 2007 casting. This is Cloak and Dagger right there. So this entire base and the wheels are glow in the dark, and nice designs. Beautiful car. Another great one to add to the collection. See if you can see the glow part. You can see that if I put my hands over it, oh, it's kind of hard to tell unless you're like in complete darkness. It's easy to tell, but since we got a lot of light here, and gotta pop those back in. So much easier to pop it back on than take it off, so I'm not going to be taking that off again, hopefully. Thank you for tuning into Sam's Diecast Showroom. Please check out more of my videos, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.